Hello guys, welcome back to my hair channel. My name is Ile. Today is gonna be another video about hair extension. You like tape-in hair extension, but do you know how they are made? So in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how tape-in hair extension are made at big hair company. Let's get started. Now let's start making tape-in hair extension step by step. First off, place the hair on a plastic panel. Make sure to comb them so that the hair is arranged evenly. Next, put a long piece of tape on all the hair to keep it in place. Then use a trimmer to trim the tops of the hair so they have even length. Doing this will make it easier to put glue on. Moving to the next step, mix the glue and apply it to the tops of the hair. This will be the most important part of making tape-in hair. Remove the tape from the hair and replace it with double-sided tape. The old tape is no longer durable enough, so we need to replace it so it can hold your hair inside the dryer. Then put the hair inside the dryer and turn it on. This step will dry the glue layer on the hair top. After the drying process is done, take the hair out, remove the old tape, and put double-sided tape on the glue layer. This tape layer is what you usually see on every tape-in hair product. We are almost there, guys. Now, put the tape hair on the cutting machine and cut them into even bits. Finally, tie all the tape-in hair together with cable ties into a bundle. Your brand new tape-in hair extension are complete. There you have it, guys. That is how we make tape-in hair extension. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe to Mix Hair Company, and hit the bell to get notified of our newest update. Once again, thanks so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!